Using an M8 wrench, carefully remove the push plate mounting bolt from the push ram. Support the push plate assembly with your other hand while you remove it. Only remove one push plate assembly at a time for cleaning. Next, carefully remove 6 M4 socket head cap screws holding the push plate to the acrylic chuck. Use a non-abrasive, non-alcohol solution such as natural citrus or similar type of solution. Ensure you do not use any product containing any isopropyl alcohol. With the acrylic chuck placed on a flat surface with the mounting holes facing away from you, spray the non-abrasive, non-alcohol solution over the chuck. Once covered with cleaner, pick up the chuck with a large non-abrasive lint-free cloth and gently wipe all surfaces until clean. Lay the chuck down on a clean surface to air dry. Ensure you do not touch the chuck with your fingers, as this will leave smudges on the chuck. Once the chuck is clean, carefully inspect the chuck for wear, cracks, or cloudy acrylic. A bright light source may be necessary to illuminate potential defects. Do not allow your fingers to touch the chuck during the inspection process. Once the chuck is clean, carefully reassemble the chuck and push plate, making sure your fingers do not touch the chuck. Torque the M4 by 12 screws to the value shown on the assembly drawing in a crossing pattern. Do not over-tighten the screws, as this will damage the acrylic chuck. Finally, reinstall the push plate assembly onto the push ram using the push plate mounting bolt and tighten the bolt to the torque recommended on your assembly drawing. Repeat this series of steps until all the chucks have been thoroughly cleaned.